Next! Young man, what's your name?
Pastor James.
Pastor James.
Sorry.
Not found.
Okay, check the list of fake pastors.
What?
Oh, Pastor James, you are topping the chart.
I'm there, right?
Yes.
Wow! I made it. I was going to say that how can God be partial?
Hey!
Sorry, Angel. I'm the number one fake pastor in Nigeria.
What?
So for you to start saying that you don't know me, I was surprised. I've done miracles that even me, the miracles baffles me. You didn't see that thing that happened, that pastor in Nigeria that they shot 18 times. That bullet did not enter. It was me, we planned it.
Hey!
I've had several movies. It was Vanguard that we used now. I've added several movies in my church just to make my members believe me. What are you saying? There is a way we do our things. I did one of the highest and the greatest program on earth. And think what thing I do you was the talk of the whole world. People came all over the world, overseas, America and USA. What are you saying? There's a program I did. People went home the same way they came. So what are you saying? All my programs, there have not been changes. Sometimes your matter will go worse. There's a program that they brought one guy. That guy could not walk. When he came, he died in my church. Do you know what I did? I told them that it's the kind of anointing that I carry.
Hey!
I'm the popular pastor that the Benz sung. Have you not heard that word? Pastors Benz have sung. It was my Benz. What I say, saying that you don't know me. Davido is my son.
What?
When Davido was about to marry Chioma, they called me. Adeleke. Sorry. Adeleke was.
Hold this thing. Hold it.
Can I really hold it? You know, you see the way I'm raising my trouser now. That is why I was unable to raise my members. It's not easy. How can I be raising trouser and raising members? So as I was saying, David Adeleke, the father Adeleke, he was on his knees begging me to come and do his wedding in my church. I said my church is too big for them. Do you know that I was the one that told Don Jazzy to sign Rema? He called me. He said, Pastor James, should I sign Rema? I said, sign him. Because that boy has Rema.
No noise. I dey like this. Continue.
Wow. Can you hear me now? When even when Wizkid was about kissing Tiwa Savage, I was the one that told Wizkid to kiss Tiwa Savage.
Jesus.
Do you know why? Because that girl is a savage.
Hey!
There are many things I will not say. You see this my hand? You see this my hand? I've laid this my hands on over 300 presidents in the world. This my hand. If I lay it on you, you will know who I am. You are saying you don't know me. Jesus. Programs that I have done. I did what I do you many years ago. The program went viral. Jay-Z, Rihanna, they came for the program. Until what I do you.
Hey!
What are you saying you don't know me? Omotala Jalade was my ex.
What?
There is no. When Nicki Minaj, you know Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, they were my choristers before. They sang for me. What are you saying? People that I trained. I don't want to make mouth. Do you know Brother Chaggy? That guy used to say hit me. When I slapped him the other day, he became a hit in the town. What are you saying? What are you saying? Saying you don't know me. You don't know me. Because you be NGRB, you be waiting, say you don't know me. If I say Lekute, you say they happen here. Okay, oh, you're not used to all those things. So what are you saying? I've laid this my hands on people. People get delivered. So when I'm talking, do you know Kizane? You know Kizane?
Yes.
Kizane was Daniel's younger brother. Daniel in the Bible. Hey. Kizane, they are from the same family. What do you know? What do you know about Bible?
You say what?
Calm down.
What do you know? So when you say you don't know me, or my name is not in the list, it pains me. Okay, do you know Ananias and Sikirat?
What?
Safera.
Sikirat. What is Safera? Ananias and Sikirat, they were Yoruba girls that bro, I know.
Why did you want to talk? Bible what get? I get none. I don't want it.
I don't understand.
Ananias and who?
Ananias and Sikirat.
Hey!
Hey, Jesus.
You know, people think that they are husband and wife. They are not husband and wife. They are people that used to come and act movie in my church.
Jesus.
So if hold on.
Hold your knicker now.
Can I really hold it? That's why I'm telling you to hold on. So when people start behaving as if I don't know anything, what do you take me for? When I started ministry many years ago, a lot of people were begging me to put my ororo upon their life. I don't want to call names. I don't want to go into details. Do you know that I bought my first private jet 80 years ago?
Huh?
Listen, when I bought that my private jet, people were begging me to drive it to Benin. Until a day that it was raining, I parked my private jet in my parlor. When people came to service, they were surprised. What I say is that you don't know me. You don't know me. You're asking me, where is my name? My name.
Jesus.
My name. Okay, now this one, I don't want to go into details before, but because of you, let me go into this. Do you know Tunde Ednut? Do you know Tunde Ednut? He used to sell granite in front of my church.
Oh! Satan. No
I'm the one that gave him.
Shut up!
Who is this bastard?
Say,
Oh, sorry. I'm not supposed to curse. Where am I? But what I'm saying is, please. I don't need any distraction. Please. If I'm giving out my profile, I hate when people want to distract me, please. You are not the one that called me around 3:30. If I don't have calling, I will not. I know what I'm going through with this suit. I don't want to have more problem with people. I know what I'm inside. So, as I was saying, I don't want to go into details, but I can mention name. Okay, can I shock you now? When Eriga was in Ondo State hustling, Warri people thought that he's from Warri. Eriga is not even from Warri.
What?
Eriga real name is Olamide.
Hey!
I don't, what, please, if you don't know something, don't argue with me. So please, because of time, now this one will shock you. Adeboye, I never wanted to say this. Enoch Adeboye. I don't know if you understand. Huh?
they talk.
And David Ibiyome and Oyedipo, they used to be my friends.
They used to be what?
Listen to me. When I did that my program, until waiting I do you, they called me, they begged me, they said they want to minister in my church.
Jesus!
Wait now.
I said no. You cannot minister in my church. Do you have oil?
Eh?
I asked them, do they have oil?
Oil?
I asked Enoch Adeboye and all of them. I said, do they have oil to minister in my church? What I say? I was even supposed to minister in Chilo, if not for my private jet that spoiled at Ore. So what are you saying?
The grace.
Who be this guy?
I go punish you for.
Who be this guy?
I
Go kill this boy.
I go punish for.
Who be this boy?
Go
Go kill this boy.
You the man.
Calm down.
Now today you know say I fit join court before I enter pastor. You dey mad.
You know what?
Na me you want to play for heaven.
You
You want to take me play for.
know this guy.
Na me you want to play for heaven.
You know what? You know
You
what?
want to take me play for heaven.
No, leave me.
Wait.
You want to take me play for heaven. Take me play for heaven.
Calm down. David, calm down. Pastor, I fake Pastor James. You don't talk about real men of God like that.
Now many first. People who they respect. You know me. I respect Enoch Adeboye so well. So I don't like when they laugh on your head.
Hey!
Please, who is this?
Is this the devil, the place we are going to soon?
This is devil. You for tell me now. Na so person say dey enter one chance.
Not be one chance. This one you will die. I'll kill you by myself. Bet.
Why you wan kill me? Wetin I do you?
If you not die, man, call me bastard.
Wetin I do you, Baba?
Bet me.
Baba calm
Me,
down.
Baba.
We be one. Abeg.
Me, Baba.
Baba we be
Me,
one.
Baba,
abeg,
me,
calm
Baba. You don't know me,
Baba, Baba abeg.
Wait.
Leave me. For your present. For your present, you go know me.
No be you give me jazz when I take join court. You dey mad. Oh sorry. Wetin dey do me sef? Bro, abeg, man, abeg you. With the way me and devil don get problem, abeg, no carry me go meet am. He go kill me for here.
Okay, sit now.
Kill me for here. I dey tell you say we be one, you dey shout.
Okay, this man is a comedian. I've been listening to him since I can't stop laughing. That is why I allow him to continue.
But now when he begin lie, now vex me.
That life.
I hate lies, you know me.
Vex me. So, Pastor James, Abi, fake Pastor James, you are really a comedian.
I'm not a comedian.
He go dey argue. He go dey argue.
I'm
He go
not
dey
a comedian.
argue.
He dey pay me say na with you at later end. Na dey pay me. I hate over-sabi people. You know say na your place I dey come. Na so they say dey treat visitors. Because with the way they go now, I know say you no go gree make I dey with you. He go want make I dey with am so that he go beat me. But you don't know say I bring funds for you.
You mean that?
You see you, all politicians, no be me that dey pay tithe to.
Jesus!
When you dey hurry, I dey look you, you dey assume.
I come dey look and say, I be recognize you before.
You dey assume.
You know my guy.
You dey assume.
Wow,
That day wey I go
congratulations.
collect jazz from that my native doctor friend.
Yeah.
No be you talk say this pastor go rugged. Yeah. See you. I dey look
Now when
you.
he dey lie, now I go dey say,
I dey look you. I dey tell you say we be one.
Who is we?
We be one.
yes, now we be
Two
one.
of you. Two of you are one.
Hey, yes,
Devil, you surprise me o.
my brother.
Life no hard now.
My brother.
All those things wey I dey do, no be you dey send me.
That dey talk so.
Person wey go represent una for world, you wan come dey disgrace me for where?
But the one wey you dey talk about Oyedepo and the no be me send you that one.
Even me no know how I dey
Na
call
yeah,
their name.
you
No
say-
dey before I no dey call their name.
Na that one shock me.
So e pain me say you just dey disgrace me for where stranger dey.
No, not be lie. Not be, I
big.
mess up.
Okay,
I
may
mess
I
up.
go here? May I go?
Yes,
So
yes.
how far na baba? Na here you dey talk since.
Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. You know say Bible read talker. I like you die.
No wait papa. Guess dey.
Now they talk small small.
Hey, go to here and continue.
Wait now. Sorry, no best. You know say Bible say anything wey go make you no enter heaven. He say cut it off. My brother, same thing applies to this my word. You understand? This your suit. You know make you enter. You pull am.
What?
Pull am. They come out by
I go
self.
pull am before I come with
Yes, you quench my fire now.
you. Baba no dumb you.
My brother. Yes. You go. You,
Bad guy. Hope they go do Friday night party.
you what they talk. If with a group that they jealous us.
So for your mind, me want your day with you for
Drop them there. Yes. Yes.
Heaven where they lonely.
My guy.
Papa no shaking no.
Yes.
Everywhere
I greet you. Yes.
So,
Don't
Baba-
hold me like that. Don't hold me like that. Don't say we be mate.
I bet you give me better office. Oh.
No fear. No.
Too much.
You see this boy na fool? This boy, I don't keep pressing. You hear the news. If this or not that, call me bastard.